31.0.2 dash
Welcome to
profile.
Code
Full start
Behind
virtual
Site
stop
YouTube
recording.
channel. Today
Desktop 2
I
magnifier
teach
Python line
about
syntax.
rules
Number
of
29 dash.
Python programming.
Number 29 dash
First
number basic
you
Python
listen
syntax
this.
rules. Number 29 dash number 1 dot no semicolon left parent semi right parent needed at the end of a line dot number 2 dot Python is case dash sensitive left parent print bang equals print right parent dot number 3 dot use double quote or single tick quotes for strings dot number 4 dot every block of code must start in a new line dot number 5 dot use number for comments left parent ignored by Python right parent dot number 6 dot variables are created when you assign a value dot number 7 dot do not need to declare variable type left parent Python is dynamic right parent dot number 29 dash number indentation rules number 29 dash number 1 dot indentation means spaces at the beginning of a line dot number 2 dot default standard colon 4 spaces left parent or 1 tab right parent dot number 3 dot all lines in the same block must have the same indentation dot number 4 dot do not mix tabs and spaces in one file dot number 5 dot wrong indentation gives an indentation error dot number 6 dot indentation is used for blocks colon if comma for comma while comma functions comma classes dot lang
First, the Python programming is case sensitive, so you don't uppercase and lowercase you don't use. For example, the print statement is all keywords, all characters is lowercase.
use the excessive lang clear Python hello world
And
PSC
run
colon
the
backslash
Python
users
code.
backslash agat backslash main
The Python
landmark
code
type
is
number
run
base number
hello
29 dash
world.
print left parent quote hello
Next,
P suggest list
same
R
print
I N T
statement.
left
I
parent
only
quote
change the first
H E
P letter is change
L
the
L O double
uppercase.
hello space W O R L D
The show the error
world terminal
because
2 lang hello world trace back
this is
left
case
parent most
sensitive.
recent
Python
call last right
programming is
parent
case
colon file quote C colon
sensitive.
backslash users backslash
So
accessible view
the
PSC colon
error
backslash
is
name there 4
occurred.
space 5
So you
caret
don't
print left parent quote hello world quote right parent
do case
terminal 2
sensitive
comma power
keywords.
main landmark Python line syntax number basic Python print left parent print left parent lang right parent lang right quote
I'm
print left
after
parent quote hello print left
change
parent
the
quote hello word warning R warning line
lowercase
feed
the P letter
print left parent right parent lang print left parent quote hello world quote right print left parent quote lang right quote D L R warning I warning R warning line feed warning P suggest list print comma function level Python line syntax terminal 2 comma pow C lang
the
hello world
mistake
PSC colon backslash
I
main
did
landmark
this.
Python line
After I
syntax
change the P letter to run the
A
program
suggest
is
list and comma
executed.
equals Python line syntax dot py editor as autocomplete multi-line A1 1 equals 1 0 10 P R I T print left parent A suggest list a comma variable level 1 suggest list connect Python print left parent a number 29 dash
Next, the Python programming is don't use
error
characters, data types like int, float, because the Python programming is a dynamic language.
print left
So
parent
this is automatically
suggest list print
set
Python
the
A equals Python line syntax 1 0
data type
10
based on
P R
values.
I T print left
For
parent star A
example,
suggest list
a
Python
equal
line
to 10.
terminal to
Alright,
Python
after
dot
print
backslash
the
Python
A,
line syntax dot py trace back left parent most recent call last right main landmark Python line lang a number 29 dash print left parent equals lang print left parent quote hello world quote print left parent print left equal lang print lang a number 29 dash warning line feed 29 dash number A number baseline feed line feed number basic Python syntax rules print left parent a right parent terminal 2
I run the program.
use the clear Python dot backslash Python line syntax
This
dot py
time
hello
is
world
the 10
main
is
landmark
print.
lang A suggest equals Python lines 1 0 10 semi P suggest RIT print left
After,
parent A suggest list Python line
again print
terminal
the
2
A
lang
equal
Python
to
dot
10
backslash
to
Python line
print
syntax dot py Python dot backslash
to
Python
run
line
the
accessible view PS
program.
10 hello world
You can
terminal
view
2
the
main landmark print left parent
output
A
using
suggest Python
accessible
line
mode.
I such N and T
You
space
click
A
the
suggest equals space
Alt
1 0 10 P R I T left parent A suggest Python line
you
syntax dot
navigate
py
up and
editor
down.
as autocomplete
After,
multi-line print left
you don't mention the character like
Enda equals
data
10.
type
Print
int,
left enda equals 10.
character, float, like this.
Print left enda equals 10. Print left parent.
Because
Right
the
parent.
Python programming is dynamic
Terminal 2.
programming
Python dot backslash
language,
Python line.
so
Main landmark.
this is
Python line syntax.
automatically set the data type based on value.
Number basic print left parent enda equals 10. I and E space A
I'll
error
remove
space
the
E
int
N I equals space 1 space
simply.
space print left by equals blank by print left equals 10 print left parent a right parent by equals 10 print left parent a right terminal blank Python dot backslash Python line syntax
Again,
accessible
run the
view
code.
PSC 10
The 10 is print.
terminal 2
I will
main landmark
see
blank.
the accessible viewer.
I suggest
Click
list if
Alt
F if comma keyword
F2
space T suggest
button.
R through Q E colon Python 4 space error
Next
P suggest
rule
R
is
I T
you
left
must
parent quote H
give
E
the 4
L
space.
L O double hello space
That means indentation.
W E L
For
C O
example,
E welcome
if
space
true
I
colon,
N
the next
N
line
space
is
I F if
must
C O
have
N
the
D
4
I T I O N
space.
condition
Print the welcome to if
terminal 2 comma
condition.
PowerShell use main landmark number basic 4 space no indent blank print left parent
Again
4
run
space
the
no indented 4 space print
code.
left parent quote hello welcome in if condition quote right parent terminal 2 comma power blank Python hello world 10 10 10 hello
You
welcome in if
can
condition
see
PSC
hello
terminal 2
welcome in if condition.
accessible view PSC hello welcome in 10 hello welcome in if condition terminal 2 main landmark Python magnifier desktop 3 start